Hey, what's up everyone? '08 Corvette. This is just a quick tips on the mirror replacement, the side view mirror. You got to get the panel off to replace it because the mirror has these wires that come off of it. To get the panel off, you take out these two screws right here that are behind a black little plate. You just pop the plate out and then you can get those screws off, and then you can pull the panel off. You'll disconnect the connector, and then this will be on the door. You just take these off to get access to the nuts to the mirror. I was able to reach it with like a 10 millimeter on like a 6-inch extension. I was able to reach all three nuts no problem. And then what you want to do is disconnect the connector. There's gonna be two connectors right here. Disconnect both of them and push them through the door. And then there's the third wire. It's that yellow one. It's over here. You come under the dash, and to the left there's like a panel on the side, this old black plastic panel. You pull this off, and then that third wire will be there. It's the one with the yellow connector, and you just disconnect it. And I've seen a lot of videos, people making comments about they don't know where this wire is, so here it is. And then once you have it disconnected, you just pull this out, and you pull the whole wire harness out from the front of the door, and you get your new one. And then you just run this back in. Make sure your wires are out of the way of the window, and make sure you put that back in there. And that's it.